guys, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video I'll be showing you how I fix my wigs, or my Pennywise wig to be specific, kasi this one is nirent siya last year pa, actually December, and ngayon ko lang ulit siya nabuklat. So nakita ko super tangled niya talaga, as in kung makikita niyo naman ito. Tapos, sobrang frizzy niya, sobrang tigas niya. So, kinailangan ko siyang ibabad sa water and conditioner mixture for overnight para mas ma-absorb nung wig yung conditioner. So, ayun guys. Ito yung before. Papakita ko lang sa inyo. So, that's it guys. And mag-start na tayo. And bago ako mag-proceed sa procedure, kailangan nyo ng spray bottle na merong water and conditioner mixture din, para habang nag-iron kayo or habang pinaplansya niyo yung wig, if ever na hindi kaya ng suklay or ng brush yung pagka-tangled niya, pwede nyo siyang gamitin kasi mapapadulas niya yun. And syempre kailangan nyo ng flat iron, saka clamp in case, at saka wig holder para hindi kayo hirap sa pagpaplansya and para meron siyang paglagyan. So that's it guys. Let's start! we're done with the wig, and this is how it looks like now, and this is the final look for this. Hindi ko na siya ulit kinurl kasi nung ginamit ko to for Pennywise, kinulot ko talaga siya. Pero yung original status niya noon ay straight talaga, and this wig is originally for Erza of Fairy Tail. And hindi ko pa siya naka-cosplay and canceled yung cosplay ko that time. So, ginamit ko siya for Pennywise gender bend. So, that's it guys. That is how I fix my wigs. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell for more updates. Bye!